To draw the tic-tac-toe board, first find some empty space on your screen. Click the line tool. Click anywhere on your screen. Move your mouse the direction you want to go. I'm going to go towards the right. Type in 8 and enter for 8 inches over. We're going to go 8 inches up, so 8 and enter. 8 inches to the left, 8 and enter. And then I could either go down 8 inches, or I'm just going to click to close it. Hit the escape key to cancel. Now, to get this gap here, there's a 0.25 gap. We're going to use a new command. It's up here on the modify panel called offset. Go ahead and click on the offset icon. If you move your mouse down, you have to read what it says. It says specify offset distance. Well, the distance is at 0.25. You don't need to do the 0. So I can just do 0.25 and hit enter. Okay, don't forget to hit enter. And then it says select objects to offset. Well, I want to take this object. I'm going to offset it in towards the center of the square to the left. I could go either direction. It gives you a little preview. I want to go towards the left. And then click your mouse to tell it to go that way. I'm going to click on the top line. And again, go towards the center of the square and click. And this line towards the center of the square and click. The bottom line and go up and click. To finish the command, you hit the escape key. Now, if you notice, I need to trim off the corners. That's another new command called the trim command. Up top, again, on the modify panel, click on the trim button. If you move your mouse down, it says select objects or, in brackets, select all. I want to activate the select all by hitting the enter key. So anytime you use the trim tool, hit the enter key to select all. Now it says select objects to trim. Zoom in so you can get a good shot at it and click and trim off the parts you don't want. Then zoom out, move your mouse down and zoom back in and click. If you want to pan over, you can click the middle mouse button, hold it down so you get the hand icon and drag it over and trim those edges, and then pan up. You can trim these. Zoom back out, make sure you got them all. When you're done, hit the escape. Now we're ready to offset again. The next distance is 0.62, so we're going to go to offset. Specify the distance of 0.62, the enter key. Click on the inside line, and we're going to offset that over towards the center, 0.62. Do that on all 4 sides. Make sure you go in towards the center. And when you're done, hit escape. Now we're going to trim. Hit the trim tool, hit enter to select all, and again, trim around the corners. Now, if you accidentally click and you draw a rectangle, just make sure that rectangle goes across it and you can still trim. If you trim something by mistake, again, just hit Control-Z to undo. When you're done, hit escape. We're going to offset the next distance. The next distance is 1.75. So offset, type in the distance, 1.75, and enter. Click on the line and offset it in. Top one in, left one in, bottom one in. Going to hit escape. I'm going to offset the last distance, 0.25. So offset, 0.25, and enter. Click on all these lines. Now make sure you go the right direction or the correct direction. Some people often make a mistake of going the wrong direction. You want to go in towards the center for this drawing. Okay, now we got a lot of trimming to do. So trim and enter, and you can trim off all these lines. Again, if you make a mistake, you can undo, either Control-Z or there is the undo arrow up here. If you can't remember Control-Z, the undo arrow is up here at the top left corner. You can grab multiple lines at once. Zoom in helps. You can see how I'm drawing a window and actually trimming 2 lines at once. I'm going to grab those 2 and those 2. You don't have to do that. You can click on each one individually. It's up to you, whatever works for you. Zoom out, make sure you didn't miss anything. And that's it.